Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi,
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And I'm well known as a reasonable man. But sometimes people challenge me to do a stupid shit. And today is one of those days. We are going to do this. And what is this? Let me explain. Okay, it's the most expensive drawing board in the world. It's 215 kilowatt hour battery pack. But today is going to be a drawing board. And here is the assembly that we have. We have hardened steel ball bearing here, steel here, press here. And when the press goes down, this is going to bend like this, and the ball is going to fly out with deadly speed. Or that's the hope, at least. I have no idea will this work, so we are going to first test with the small scale and fix all the problems, and then do the golf ball sized ball bearing. And this video is sponsored by FlexiSpot. Me and Hanna have been both using their standing desks, which are great because sitting down the whole day is really unhealthy for you. And I don't do only video editing and gaming here on my table. I also engineer stuff for the videos, and sometimes I want to bring some heavy parts on the table so I can measure them and model something that is based on something that is already there. So if you have to sometimes put something a bit heavier than just the screens on the table, and you are worried that maybe the standing desk is not strong enough for your use, then I can recommend E7 Plus table that I have. It can easily take parts like these. I would say that if you are able to lift something on the table, then the table is able to carry it. And the maximum amount that the table is able to lift is 440 pounds. So how much we have here? We don't have that much because we are going up. And the maximum static load is 540 pounds. So I think that's enough. And even without trying, I can say that the cheaper two-legged tables are not going to be able to do that. So go to FlexiSpot.com, there is link down in description, and for maximum stability for challenging engineering things, it's the E7 Plus, the model that you want. And if you use my code, you are going to get $50 off from your order. So go check it out. And here is the famous Allen key from the last video.
Yeah.
That was saved by the magnet. Everybody like that.
Yeah.
I first approach and then switch to slow speed,
Yeah.
so we can enjoy the excitement.
I'm gonna put the hearing protection. Oh dear.
Okay.
Ooh,
Only the smallest pump.
absolutely terrifying. Oh dear. Uh-oh. Oh dear. Well.
Okay, it kind of works.
Yeah.
It's not the deadliest thing.
Not exactly.
Not the deadliest thing yet. I think the melon is going to go without ice.
Yeah.
But this is good practice because this is why we do these tests, so we can optimize things before going full scale. And as you see, there's dents here.
Mm.
So I'm going to put it slightly offset, so we're not going to play the same dents again. And I put it slightly more under there. So let's see, will it fly any faster with this setup? I think it's going to fly better. And if this doesn't work, then we are going to switch to roller bearing, because that has more surface area, so it doesn't sink so easily to the tools. So I think it's going to take much more force to slip out.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oi.
That's interesting. Did it chip off? Yeah.
Yeah, it's there.
It's hot. Might be really hot. No. It's actually quite interesting. I think it's time for the roller bearing.
Ooh.
Maybe like this.
Yeah, that looks exciting.
this is like research.
Yeah. Like
I'm-
proper science.
I'm not sure who is the like beneficiary of all this science that we are doing here, but somebody is.
Oh. Should
That, yeah. I think that worked really well. It was like nicely bent and thump.
Yeah.
Good sound. I think we have to just put more steel there and we have to have longer lever. With the tougher steel we can have longer like bendy part. So I think we are ready to scale this shit up. But before that I have like small project on the old machine. Let's go have a look on that. Okay, and before the mayhem, we are going to predict who is going to win NBA finals. We have both teams here on this prediction rig, and piston is going to go down, and the ball that explodes first is going to be a loser. And this is best out of 3, so 3 rounds. I don't even know the team names. I think this is
It's Oklahoma City Thunder, and then there was
and then
Pacers. Some city Pacers.
some city Pacers. You heard it from Hanna. Here we go. Okay. Holy shit, it works.
Yeah. Rods are. Let's throw. Okay. What? Whoa! Which one was it? Oh no! It was the Pacers.
I think we have to have bigger the top tool for the future test like this, because now it starts to wrap around this and it's always the lower. I think this is like good enough for this. It's like just a funny video. It's not so serious. So, but if you have any like ball competition that you wanna know in advance, just let us know and we are going to test it with our prediction rig 5 million. Here it goes. What do you think? Is it going to fly through the melon?
Maybe not through.
I say that it's going to go all the way through.
Okay, I'll say it stays in.
I believe on myself and our research.
That mighty ball bearing.
I believe in science. Oh, that's...
Oh my god, oh, whoa, okay.
I think there was a lot of force. We made a good dent. I think the rollers are the way to go. So here is the biggest roll that we have.
Roller.
What we made.
Uh-huh.
That doesn't happen by like mistake. You have to really try to push it.
It looks like it's all because of the eyeball. She dash hard.
Yeah, that's a hard look. Okay, I'm going to flip these and let's put this and then let's hope that we get some. Oh my god, that's a lot of force.
Oh dear. Oh no.
We were a bit too greedy.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try now. I think this is going to work. I go with the full speed. Here we go. I'm a bit nervous.
Oh. At least it went.
That's always nice. Yeah, I think we are about ready here.
Yeah. We have seen quite a lot of things.
Yeah. If you have any improvements for our design, please let us know. I still have these big ass springs, so maybe we could somehow use one of those on something like this. Yeah, think about that, and that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.